In programming, when you have multiple arrays, or in Python's case, lists of information that are related by their index in that array, this is called either parallel arrays or indexed arrays. And we would normally deal with these by looping through either one of the lists or a set of numbers that give the indexes, and then we put that data together as we show in this loop here. And the result of this loop is we can now see that Sam is 38 and he has a score of 62, Mary 52 and 58, etc. And if we wanted to filter out anyone under the age of 30, for instance, we would just add an if statement here that says, for a particular L data age index, only print all the associated data if the age is above 30. Now, if you have loads of these or are using them in loads of places throughout your program, this can get rather confusing and hard to debug. Python has a potential solution to make the data more of a table structure, and it does this using the zip function. So how we use this is if I do combined data equals zip, and then in the brackets for this, we're just going to list out the actual arrays. So LData name, LData age, LData score. And if we print this, we get a zipped object. This is an iterator that we can loop through. I prefer to cast this to a list so I know exactly what I'm dealing with. So if we wrap the zip in a list, we now get a list of tuples when we print it. And you may be thinking, this isn't how we printed it before, how do I make it print it like we did before? Well, it's much simpler than before, because now we don't need to list through just one of the arrays, we just list through the combined data. So for row in combined data, and we're going to print row 0 dash row 1 colon row 2. So for each case, we're looking at the same data structure, and we're just looking at the index of the field, rather than looking at the position, i.e. the row, in each of the arrays. It's much simpler to deal with. And now if we print it, we get exactly the same result as we got before. So Sam 38, score 62, Mary's 52, score 58, and Bob is 28 with a score of 89. I hope you found this useful. If you have, then please give me a like. And with that, thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.